This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hey guys, we're going to go through how to add Google Analytics to WordPress. A few things I'm going to need you to already have. I'm not going to go through how to make a Google Analytics account. I'm not going to go through how to get your code. All I'm going to show you how to do is how to put your how to connect the two. So how to add Google Analytics to WordPress. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Google Analytics account, and I'll show you how to find your tracking code here, which we'll enter onto WordPress. So you'll get into your account here, and you're going to want to go to Admin. And you're going to want to go right in the middle here. There's tracking info, and this is where you get your the tracking code to put on your website. So you go to the code, and it's going to bring up the global site tag. And this right here is all you need to connect Google Analytics to WordPress. So you can copy that. And then you're going to want to go back to your WordPress dashboard here. And one plugin I'm going to need you to install to make this easier is a header and footer plugin. So we'll go add new, and we're going to search header and footer. And this one should work good here. Let's see if there's any better ones. Yeah, this one, actually let's go with this one. It's got a 800,000 plus active installation. It is compatible, and it's been upgraded recently. So go ahead and install the insert headers and footers plugin, and go ahead and activate it. And now if you go to settings, you'll see the insert headers and footers got put in here. And if you see, you're going to want this is going to go into the header, as you can see right here if we go back to Google Analytics, of every web page you want to track. So all you do is copy and paste that, and you'll go save. I'm actually not going to save it here, so I'm going to take this back out because I don't want Google Analytics on my site here. But then you'll go ahead and save it. And it will be in here. It's not in mine, obviously, because I didn't save it. And that is basically about it. That is how you connect Google Analytics to WordPress. The data probably won't show up. You're probably going to want to give it a few days to build some data up to even look at. Obviously, you're not going to have much within the first hour or so. So give it a day or two, and you'll start to see data kind of build up as Google Analytics kind of does its job on the back end. But that is basically how you do it. That's how you connect Google Analytics to WordPress. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.